Music is a dream, the one that most of us fail to hear. Music gives a soul to the universe, be it in the form of birds chirping or the intriguing melody amidst the silence that a river beholds. That inspiring sound of paddles slicing the flowing river, the calmness of a beautiful morning in the forest, and the rhythmic sound of your feet hitting the rocks with every step you take adds to the melody of the nature. Music is everywhere, in those falling drops of water, in the simplicity of women washing their clothes, the casual conversations of the locals, in the struggle of flowing river with stones, and in the melody of cool breeze kissing the trees. I call it symphony of nature. So recently I took a 5-day trip across this beautiful state in Northeast India, also known as Abode of Clouds. I was there with my friend Ankit, and to take you all through the same experience, we filmed all of it. This is our story of Meghalaya. It's my day 3 in Meghalaya and I'm in Dauki right now. Yesterday we came here, we got a little late and we couldn't shoot the lake. So that's why we decided to stay here for the night. And look at the view. Look at the view, like this Dauki river right behind me. And there are like a couple of boats. So we'll go for a boat ride now and I'll keep you posted. Cool breeze, a beautiful river, and those rays of sunlight kissing your cheeks. I couldn't have asked for a better morning. We freshened up and soon started our river exploration on a boat. The place was so pleasant that I was literally lost in the vast expanse of the river. In the patience with which the local fishermen were waiting for their catch. In the sound of the stream gushing through the stones. It is just so surreal. The water looked so clean and pure that I couldn't resist the kid in me from taking a dive into the river. So Dauki has been fun. We did like boat ride over here. We did a lot of swimming over here. I mean, I did swimming. Ankit was just chilling out because he was very scared of getting to water. But this place is really nice. Like, you know, it's totally worth the night stay, I would say that. Like, now I can say that we were fortunate enough that we got late and we got a chance to stay here for the night. And it's beautiful. It's just beautiful. Now we are heading back to Shillong. If we get some time, then we'll shoot some waterfall nearby Shillong. And tomorrow we have flight back to a place. Like, I'm going to Bangalore, Ankit is going to Delhi from here. And yeah, that's about it. So we'll start from here and I'll keep you posted. With smiling faces, taking back sweet memories with us, we waved a goodbye to Doki. We were overwhelmed by the experience we had there. Our next couple of hours went by just absorbing that feeling of being there. It felt as though we had left the place, but a part of us was still lying there. While I was absorbing the calmness of beautiful terrains, it struck me that my Meghalaya journey was almost coming to an end. Those beautiful mountains, vast expanse of lush green forest, the soulful music of the cold breeze will all just be memories now. One thing I have learned during this journey is that it's okay to chase your dreams, but we should not ignore the beauty that lies in the innocence of normal things around us. Nature and life is full of surprises, and we don't know what it beholds for us. But as they say, life goes on, and my Meghalaya journey doesn't end here. There is more to it. Later in the day, we reached Shillong and explored the city on our last day in Meghalaya. I will see you soon in the final episode of my Meghalaya journey. So last day in Meghalaya, didn't get much time to explore the town, like Shillong town. So we have I think 3-4 hours to shoot the place. So let's see what we can explore.
रिकॉर्ड तो हो रहा है तो चल मेरी गांड फटी हुई है रिकॉर्ड तो है हो गया परफेक्टली रिकॉर्ड हो गया